Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. And those who are subscribed my channel, I was thankful to you all. Because of you only this was possible. And those who are watching my videos and new, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And we are seeing about our previous videos about the candlesticks pattern that we are seen on a single candlesticks pattern. So there we are seen on spinning top. So last video we are discussed about these types of spinning top candles, and with the explanation and definition we are discussed on the last video. So this video we are going to find out how the spinning top candle forms and what should be the right candle we are going to select, and what are the best probability of winning trades, so that we are going to check on daily basis candle chart. So before going to the video, anyone who new, kindly make subscribe and support us and join with me. Thank you for watching. Okay, so let's move that. So this is the candlesticks patterns. So it's a plain candlestick chart that doesn't have any other indicator, simply the candlesticks, where I'm using only this spinning top finder. So wherever the spinning top candle forms, it will mark as a cross. We can change it the cross to any color. So let me mark the color into black one. So okay, when I seen that, so any candlesticks forms like spinning top, it will mark as a black cross. Okay, the plus sign. So using this one, I'm going to find out where I got some right opportunity in the market. I'm going to take it out. Okay, wherever it forms, I'm going to find out that kind of whether it is worthable or not. So here you see that there will be a lot of candlesticks pattern which gives you here the market previously it doesn't compared to that it doesn't uptrend. So here compared to 590 it went up to 650, so almost uptrend market. Okay, so what are wherever we got the trade signals using the candlesticks about the spinning top. Here the market is an uptrend, so that trend up, so that is what a first find we are going to find out. And then we find out there will be a spinning top candle. So here what happened, so we normally expect either it may be a green spinning top or small white black or green spinning top, that is a red or green spinning top. So here I want to sell below this low, sell below, and my stop loss for the trade is this one. So when I do the trade, so I got a trade opportunity, immediately it spikes lower, and next day it's even up, and finally from almost 600 almost 590 levels. So if I take 590 where my stop loss is around 625 level, so almost some 35 point is the risk for the trade where I am taking a daily basis. So here, but even though 590, now the market is 471, so almost 100 points profit with the risk of 35 points. So I am taken 35 risk, and more than 100 is the profit using the right spinning top. The selection of the spinning top is very important. The first thing, the previous trend is, because we are finding out the reversal in trend, so when the trend got reversed, that is the important point. Whenever we got a reversal point, there will be, and again here we got some type of spinning top, that is a morning star like pattern. So here you see that the candlesticks and gap lower and forms a morning star pattern. So even if you are finding out the morning star pattern, so what are the things we are going to do that using morning star pattern. Okay, so what we are going to do the morning star pattern, so let's check it out. When the morning star pattern forms with the gap lower, so if you want to check it out our more detail, you can go back our previous videos and you will find out. So there will be a gap down open and forms a this particular red candle forms as a morning star, that is spinning star morning star candle. So where we are going to follow when this type of morning star, we are, and the previous trend is down, so that's okay, downtrend. And when the morning star formation forms, we are waiting for the buy signal. and with the stop loss of this. So this particular trade we don't have a trade opportunity, no trade opportunity, because we have to trade only above this particular level. Normally if you take above the spinning top candle, so we will be getting lot of trade signal, but we will be getting a lot of failure signals also. That is why, so this is the method. So we are using the previous candle high as our reversal point. This is not a valid reversal, and again here you see that there will be a spinning top candle, and previous trend is always in up, and we are going to sell below this, and we have to make high above stop loss. So here this is about near about the stop loss but not trigger, and again it generates you the profit. So the spinning top candle, wherever again here you see that spinning top candle, because the market is previously going up, so here we are selling below this low and this as a stop loss, and finally market made a low. Okay, here we are seeing the spinning top candles, a lot of spinning top candle where we are following there. So the four type of spinning top formation. So in a live chart, if any other stocks which you are directly take in anything, let's take a step back. So here I am coding that coded which will show me, so wherever the spinning top formation, here also the spinning top is the bottom, but we don't get the chances to take above the higher level, so we don't get any buy chances. And previously any other spinning top which forms at higher level with the exact what we are expecting. So here there will be a spinning top which forms and a higher level, and previously we got a doji candle, a doji star. Okay, that is also be the candlesticks pattern. So here if you are going for this and we are not getting clear uptrend, so it is a very flat in trend. So when the trend is gone up, so we have to wait for a, so here you see that there will be a spinning top candles, spinning top at the bottom, that is looks like the candle which forms at a bottom, spinning top at a bottom. So here you see that the previous trend is clearly in down. Okay, so you have to find out what is the trend. So previous trend is clear a down trend. Okay, downtrend. So the first criteria which forms, and we are waiting for a reversal, and we find out there will be a spinning top candle which forms, and we have to buy above this level and with the low as a stop loss. So once the next day itself we got a trade opportunity and it sustains, and still your stop loss is not yet triggered and the market reaches you big point. So this is about a daily chart. It will work a positional kind of trades. You can do trading with equity, and you can also do trading with the futures and options, but the time frame how you selected, that is very important, because in daily time frame candles, so where you are taken, this is 23rd August, you got a good result on 23 September, almost 1 month time it taken, and the risk also be 278 is the highest price, and we stop loss is 260 and 278 is a high. So almost 16 point stop loss where you are taken with the equity also or future also, there will be a big benefit. But if you are taking a 22nd August, you must take the September contract, because if you are trading with the daily basis, and if you want to trade somewhere around 4 hours or 2 hours chart, so that is also be the perfect and working condition. Here you see that there will be a doji at top on 4-hour chart of State Bank, where on 28th November, this is previous history, and currently we see that so we have to wait for a reversal. So whenever we got a reversal, still we don't have any reversal candles, and higher level reversal, that is a downtrend, uptrend, other stocks, like we have to find out if you are doing the regular workout using this candlesticks pattern, and we will find out where there will be a right trade opportunity. Okay, let's take about daily time frame. So in daily time frame, you see here there will be a spinning top, but next day it forms, but previous trend is down, but the candle is forms a like a top evening star, but evening star we are waiting for the bearish reversal. So this is not a bullish, but this candlestick you can see easily this particular area you can see in the top of the market. So we find out, but previous trend is down, so I'm going to reject this signal. Okay, where to take the signal, where to reject the signal, that is very important. Okay, even you see that, so there will be a spinning top candle which forms, but the previous candle is in the highest level of range, so we don't want to trade that much of risky trade. So when the market at a highest level or lowest level, we will get the right chances to find out that kind of spinning top candles. That will be the right area to reversal. And you see that there is a like a doji candle. So when it breaks below this level, so exactly it triggers your sell entry, and this is what your stop loss if you are doing the trade based on hourly chart. This is not about spinning top, it is about doji like candles. Okay, so the candlesticks pattern, once you really understood the candlesticks pattern, easily you can make money from the market very easiest way. And you can search it out based on the spinning top candles. So let's show you some spinning top candles where it forms. So these are the stocks where the spinning top forms. So let's check it out. The Sun TV, which forms the spinning top. Okay, Sun TV which forms a spinning top on daily basis. Let's check it out. Yes, perfectly it forms a spinning top candle with the lower level. So this spinning top is an example of that what we called it as bottom reversal. Sorry, we called it as morning star, right? This is not a bottom reversal, and it looks like a morning star, but the only difference is the candle is the key, but we have to take both the candles we can use for a reversal, morning star or evening star. But so what the candle which conveys you, or what is the thing which we have to focus here? So what are the things we are going to focus? First thing, the trend is down. Okay, clear downtrend, clear downtrend. So that one criteria which satisfying. And the spinning top candle, that is also be work spinning bottom. So spinning top spinning candles with we are seen on the right side, and that forms at the lower level. So we call this as a like a morning star candle. Okay, so we wait for the reversal. So when we are waiting for the reversal, when the stock goes above, and this is what is your stop loss, and this is what your buy point. So let's exactly find out the values. So when the stock crosses above 288, that is the high about this candle, and the stop loss for the trade is, let's mark a price range for this particular stock, and you will find out. So this is what a perfect trade opportunity, and I'll show you the levels where. Yeah, now I find out the levels for the particular stock. Whenever it breaches about 288.65, that is what my buy opportunity, right? So based on the spinning top candles, and my 259 is my stop loss. So how much I'm taking the risk? 280, 259. So almost 29-30 points, which is the risk for the trade. And but this is the reversal which we can find out in a very bottom level. So here also the spinning top forms, but it gives you sell entry, but the trend is not an uptrend. Here also the spinning top, I leave it. So this I ignored it manually by finding out the right trade opportunity. So once you find this kind of trade opportunity, so you will be going to take some good opportunity in a market. And Sun TV, and what are the stocks which we find? Colgate, SRF. Let's check all the stock. Colgate Palmolive. Let's try to do that. So it is forming a like a spinning top candle, but it was forming at a higher level. So the previously the trend goes up, and here you see that there will be a spinning top where it forms previously. If you are tracking this kind of patterns, so you may find out there will be a trade opportunity. So this is what your trade opportunity, when you got a buy entry 1151 with the stop loss of 1084. Now the market was trading 1285, even though market bad in condition. So here based on this spinning top candle we got a entry. So this is what not a great spinning top candle, we are going to take opportunity. So and second, SRF. Let's find out SRF. Here SRF also forms a looks like a spinning top candle, so which is forms like a morning star. It's a exact morning star, right? So the bullish candle, and it's not a gap down below that. Yeah, it is gap down about previous close price. Okay, it is also be the valid spinning top. And here what we are going to find out, so what is the range for the stock? So this is what our trading range about the stock, where we are going to do that trading. Right, just wait. Yeah, So where we are going to trade, so the reversal point, so using the spinning top candle, how we are going to take the spinning top, as our 2817 is our buy opportunity, when 2557 is our stop loss. So here this is the stop loss. We are going to find out the reversal opportunity. Still the opportunity we created, but still it not yet executed, so we are finding out. So if you are doing this as daily basis, you will be find out where there will be a big opportunity. Hindustan Petroleum, HPCL, in Petro, Hindustan Petrol. So we'll find out. So this is not a valid, and you see that previously, so we have at the bottom level there will be a like a morning star candle like that. So we know that the previous trend is down. So if you are following this kind of candlesticks pattern, so we followed that previous trend is clear down, and we find out there will be a candlesticks pattern which forms a spinning top with this a stop loss, and this is a entry. So now it is trading at our entry point 184 with a risk of 160 level. So and it slightly moved up and it stays on the same level, so there will be a bottom reversal happen. So now it forms a low doji like candle, but it is not at a bottom. So whenever the spinning type of candles, spinning top, or morning reversal or evening reversal which happen at a highest price, so there will be even big validity and big movement we can expect based on the trading signals. So that's about this video, and if you like this video, you can share to your friends and comment if you have any other questions. So you have to find out this kind of candlesticks pattern, that 4 candlesticks pattern which will always give you better benefit. And you see that, so again I repeat you, so what are the benefit about this candlesticks pattern? So spinning top becomes top reversal, so the top reversal candle pattern, so that is also be worked out. So the important thing, if you find on topest of the top level, so there will be a good trade opportunity. Okay, and second thing, bottom reversal, so that is also be working very well. When you find, just now we seen about some two stocks like here Hindustan Petroleum and MGL and Sun TV like that. So if you find out bottom level, so there will be a good powerful thing, okay, at bottom. And another thing, so normal gap down, that is evening star and morning star, evening star and morning star also be working very well. So you have to find out these are the candlesticks where forms at a highest level or lowest level, highest or lowest level. If you find out this kind of candlestick pattern, so there will be a big benefit to make profit on the particular candlesticks pattern. So this is a more powerful candlestick, single candlesticks pattern, which will give you nice result on either intraday and even positional basis. But intraday, so we are not following this by intraday. Tracking a lot of stocks is quite difficult, so let's show you in 5-minute chart. If any kind of pattern, you see that there will be a candlestick which forms at IST level, the spinning top, these two spinning top candle which forms. So when I take entry here and I am maintaining a stop loss, so let's show you that. So this is my candlesticks pattern where it forms, and you see that from 190 I'm going to find out the trade opportunity. Even a 5 minutes time frame, it will work. So 190.7 is my sale opportunity with the stop loss of 192.8. So here my trade got triggered and stop loss not triggered, and finally market drops down. When you have to find out this kind of trade signal which happen at a highest and lowest level, so that is very important. So here any kind of patterns, so here no patterns. So any stocks you can take, and even time frame is not an important thing. So when you got a trade opportunity, you can go for that trades. And if you want a screener and scanner, you can go and create a screener and trading view, charting.com. so that is also be powerful website. We can screen all the patterns what we have to decide. So that's about this video, and thanks for being with me. And if you are not yet subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. Thanks for being with me. And if you like, share to your friends, and like and comment on this video if you have any other questions. Thank you so much, and thank you.